Hey guys, it's Bria Gabe and I am here to do a Friendsgiving haul. If you'd like to see it, stay tuned. So this bag here is from ULTA and they had a Friendsgiving sale, $10 off $60, or I think $3.50 off something less. I don't know, I can't remember. So the first thing we're going to talk about is something that I didn't get from the Friendsgiving haul, but I just got it yesterday, so I decided to tell you guys. It's this here is 2 lip glosses, and well, it's the 3rd lip gloss too. This is a sample size of the mermaid one. Lashed by Kia, looks like this. And then her information is on the back here. First things first, I got some brushes, some Real Techniques brushes. Sorry if it's, let me try over here. Okay, there you go. So it's got a fluffy brush, beauty blender, and 3 other smaller brushes that I got. I got the James Charles palette because the colors looked cute and they look like colors that I gravitate towards more so of. So I did get that one for that reason there. I got some lashes because I love lashes now. Like, I love them a lot. They make your look, so I got some of those. I got the NYX concealer and contour palette because I used to use this a while back, like some years ago, and I liked it a lot, especially because I could use that one for the contour and I could use one of those two for the concealer, and it worked great. So I got that as a repurchase. I got Revolution, or Makeup Revolution's highlight. It's got 4 different colors in it. I normally don't get like a brownish tone for highlight, but I feel like it'd be cute on me because, you know, I'm brown. Let's see. Then I got the NYX matte liquid liner because I haven't worn liquid liner in a minute. Like, I haven't been doing my wings, so I went ahead and got that. And then I got the Ulta Beauty, just a gel black eyeliner for my bottom line because I don't use liquid on the bottom because that would hurt me. Yeah. And then the last few things that I have, I don't know if I'm gonna like that color, but I got this Maybelline blush. It looks more pink on camera. To me in person it doesn't look as pink, but we'll see how it looks in person. And then I got the dip brow and the e.l.f. brush to use with the dip brow. I keep going between the dip brow and like the brow definer. I always go between those two. But yes, I've got that as a repurchase in chocolate. So that's what I got from Ulta for the Friendsgiving sale. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you do give this video a thumbs up and leave any comments that you might have for me down below. And I'll talk to you guys next time.